class, the purpose of this video is to show you how to record a video if you want to upload a video for this first assignment on class introductions. So I have opened the assignment class introductions. One of your options is to record a video introduction of yourself. And I love that. I would love to be able to see all your faces and get to know you that way. So if possible, I'd love you to create a video. So let me show you how. So here is the description of what you need to do for the introduction. And so you just click in this reply box. That'll open up a bigger box. And then you click this little tab. It says record, upload media. And then this box will come up and you click where it says record. Ask me if it wants to use my camera. Sure. All right. And so this is how you would do it. You can just click start recording and it will make the recording there. I believe when you're done, it stop recording and you just put it right into the assignment here. So that's how you do it. Pretty easy. You just had to know where to look. So I hope to see some of you on video introductions, and I will look forward to your completion of the assignment and getting to know you this semester. Bye-bye.